In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and use NordVPN on your iPhone. The first thing we need to do is to open our iPhone web browser, and you want to go to the NordVPN website. I'll leave a link to the description of this website or in the pinned comment where you can get a big discount. Once you're on the NordVPN website, you want to click on Get NordVPN. You then need to choose a plan that works best for you. If you click on the top drop down menu, you can choose from either a 1-month plan, 1-year plan or a 2-year plan, which gives you the biggest discount. Now, because we only want the NordVPN, you can choose the basic plan, which only includes the VPN. However, if you choose the Plus plan, this will include the VPN, but it will also be bundled with the NordPass password manager, which is what I personally use. However, you can also choose the Ultimate plan at the very top, which not only includes what we've mentioned, but it also includes 1TB of cloud storage, and it also includes cyber insurance in case you get scammed out of transferring someone with up to 5k in cash. However, for this video, we only want to use the NordVPN, so we're going to choose the basic plan, but if you are interested in the other options, you can choose them. So now we've got our Nord account plan, we just need to go ahead and download NordVPN. To do this, you want to click on the hamburger icon in the top right hand corner, and then you want to click on Download VPN. From here, you want to choose iOS under the mobile tab. Once you're on the download page, you want to click on Download VPN, and then it's going to bring a pop-up to the App Store where you can go ahead and download NordVPN. You may be requested to enter in your iCloud password, and once you've done this, the VPN will begin downloading. Once NordVPN has been downloaded, we can go ahead and open it up. Once you've opened NordVPN, it will prompt you to sign into your Nord account, so you want to click on Login, and from here we're going to need to accept the privacy policy, so you want to click on Agree and Continue. It's going to redirect you to the Nord account sign-in page, so you just want to enter in the details you used to sign up for your Nord account earlier. Once you've signed into your account, you'll be taken to the homepage of the NordVPN, where you can go ahead and start using the VPN just as you normally would. There are a couple of ways of connecting to a VPN server. You can either interact with the map here at the top, or you can scroll through the list of countries below. In this case, I'm going to connect to a VPN server in Texas, and just to prove it, I'm currently in the United Kingdom. However, if I go back to NordVPN and I select a server that's currently in Texas and click on Quick Connect, after a few seconds it's going to connect to the server, and once we are connected, it's going to say connected at the very top. Now we are connected to the Texas Dallas server. If I go back to my web browser and I refresh this web page, as you can see, it's now updated and the website now thinks I'm in Texas Dallas because we are now connected to the VPN server. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below.